This is question 19, test 7, section 7, page 790. So the question reads, if k, n, x, and y are positive numbers satisfying x to the negative 4/3 equals k to the negative 2 and y to the 4/3 equals n squared, what is open parentheses x times y close parentheses raised to the negative 2/3 in terms of n and k? Okay, so you will see some of these tricky exponent problems later on in the math section. So if you're trying to get a score in the high 600s or 700s, then you want to be sure that you're comfortable with this concept. Okay, so we want to express x and y in terms of n and k. So to do that, we want to convert our original information to this form. So we want to distribute this negative 2/3 exponent to the x and also to the y. And we want to convert what we're originally given. So x to negative 4/3, y to the 4/3. We want to convert that to negative 2/3. Okay. So to do that, we have to multiply the exponent times 1/2 so that we can convert x to the negative 4/3 to x to the negative 2/3. And whatever we do on the left side of the equation, we also have to do on the right side of the equation. So first, let's manipulate the left side of the equation. So that will give us x to the negative 2/3. And now we have to do the same to this second half of the equation. So we also have to multiply this exponent times 1/2. And you just multiply straight across. So that'll give us k to the negative 2/2, which is k to the negative 1. Okay, so now we have that x to the negative 2/3 equals k to the negative 1. Let's see what happens when we convert y to the 4/3 to y to the negative 2/3. Okay. Okay, so we have to multiply times negative 1/2 this time to convert this to negative 2/3. So we just multiply across. And sorry, I didn't show this in the previous step, but this will give us negative 4/6. And then I just reduce that to negative 2/3 since you can divide 4 and 6 both by 2. So this gives us y the negative 2/3, which is what we wanted. And now we have to multiply n to the 2. We have to multiply that exponent times negative 1/2 as well, because whatever we do to the left side of the equation, we have to do to the right side of the equation also. So that gives us n to the negative 2/2, which reduces to n to the negative 1. Okay, so now we have that y to the negative 2/3 equals n to the negative 1. And let's just remind ourselves what we're being asked. We're being asked what is x times y in parentheses raised to negative 2/3. So now we have everything we need because we have this information about what y to the negative 2/3 is in terms of n, and also what x to the negative 2/3 is in terms of k. So now we just have to combine those. So y to the negative 2/3 will be n to the negative 1, and x to the negative 2/3 will be k to the negative 1. So xy to the negative 2/3 is the same as k to the negative 1 to replace x to the negative 2/3 times n to the negative 1 to replace y to the negative 2/3. And when you have a negative 1 as an exponent, that is the same as 1 over the term. So this is the same as 1 over k times n. And remember, these two variables can be reversed. Either of these is acceptable. So let's just see if one of these is in our answer choices. Yep, choice A. So that's the right answer for this problem.